Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply a grade in DaVinci Resolve. We'll start by understanding the core purpose of color grading, which is to enhance the visual storytelling of your video. Then, I'll guide you through the DaVinci Resolve interface, specifically focusing on the color page. You'll learn how to import your footage and properly set up your project for an efficient grading workflow, ensuring a solid foundation for your creative work. Next, we'll dive into primary color correction, the essential first step. You'll learn to adjust your image's exposure using the lift, gamma, and gain controls, which affect shadows, midtones, and highlights respectively. We'll also cover how to balance your white and black points to achieve a neutral, clean image. Furthermore, I'll show you how to effectively use the color wheels and curves for these crucial initial adjustments, setting a strong base. Moving on to secondary corrections, this is where you refine specific parts of your image. I'll demonstrate how to isolate particular colors or areas using powerful tools like qualifiers and power windows. You'll discover techniques to refine skin tones, making your subjects look their best, and enhance other specific elements within your shot. Finally, we'll explore applying creative looks using lookup tables, or LUT, and custom effects to achieve your desired aesthetic. To conclude our guide, we'll focus on finalizing your color grade. It's crucial to review your work across various monitors and scopes to ensure accuracy and consistency. I'll show you how to maintain a consistent look throughout your entire project timeline, which is vital for a professional finish. Lastly, you'll learn the steps to properly render and export your finished video, ensuring your beautifully graded footage is ready for its audience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.